counting of votes is underway for assembly elections in Indian states of Maharashtra and Jharkhand. BJP-led alliances are leading in both the states in postal ballot counting. Maharashtra voted in a single phase on November 20th. The state has 288 assembly seats and two major political parties alliances are competing for a majority. The Mahayuti alliance led by the BJP, that includes Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar-led NCP, and the opposition alliance of the Maha Vikas Aghadi, which consists the Congress, Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena and Sharad Pawar's faction of the NCP. Early trends show Mahayuti leading on 178 seats as against the Maha Vikas Aghadi, which is leading on 90 seats at the moment. Coming to Jharkhand now, which voted in two phases, that is on November 13th and November 20th. The state has 81 assembly seats. A fierce competition is being witnessed between the ruling JMM-led INDIA bloc and the NDA led by the BJP. Early trends show NDA ahead on 35 seats, while the INDIA bloc is ahead on 39 seats. So close battle indeed in Jharkhand. Also, counting is underway in two parliamentary constituencies, Maharashtra's Naned and Kerala's Wayanad. Speaking of Wayanad, from where Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has made her electoral debut. At the moment, she is leading from the seat. She aims to retain Wayanad for her party after her brother Rahul Gandhi vacated the seat. Also, results will come in today for 48 assembly by-polls that were conducted across 15 states in the country. And well, for more on this, we're now being joined by principal correspondent Disha Shah. She's joining us live from Mumbai. Hi Disha, early trends show that BJP-led Mahayuti alliance has taken a lead over the Congress-led Maha Vikas Aghadi. The initial trends and the numbers at the moment are 174 for BJP alliance and around 93 for the Congress alliance. Tell us more.
Well, absolutely. It's the second round of the EVM counting that is underway here in Maharashtra, and the NDA or the Mahayuti alliance, which is led by the BJP, has it shows as per the early trends that it has raced past the majority mark and is leading on over 170 seats, like you rightly pointed out. And with the total number of seats in the Maharashtra Assembly being 288, the majority mark that a party really needs is 145. So, and to form the government. So, as per the initial trends, we can look at Mahayuti already has crossed the majority mark that is needed to form the government here in Maharashtra. And these are as per the early trends. Of course, the clear picture we will come to know by 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But if you talk about the Mahayuti, the key candidates, we can see Devendra Fadnavis, who is the state's deputy chief minister. He is leading in the Nagpur constituency with over 4,000 votes against his candidate. If you talk about Ajit Pawar, the Baramati fight and the battle that we witnessed on the ground level, it was the first time he was contesting against his nephew Yugendra Pawar. So Ajit Pawar is also leading in Baramati. The first round did show that Yugendra Pawar had the lead, but in the second round of the EVM counting that is going on, Ajit Pawar has clearly taken over the lead by over 5,000 votes is what we understand. On the other side, if you come across to the constituencies like Mumbai and Thane, Eknath Shinde, the chief minister of the state in Maharashtra, is leading as per the early trend. If you talk about the Maha Vikas Aghadi, the opposition, currently they are leading with over 90 votes is what we understand. And as and when the counting is going on, we will get to know the clear picture. But again, if you talk about the key candidates, Aditya Thackeray from the Shiv Sena is leading in the Worli constituency. And of course, we have the other another Thackeray cousin also is leading from his constituency. So at this point in time, as per the early trends, Mahayuti is confident of winning these elections, and they are also very much confident with the leaders expressing and giving statements since early morning that how they are very confident of going ahead and forming the government here in Maharashtra.
Right, Disha, you've given us a lowdown of all the key contestants, and like you mentioned that the early trends show a lead for the Mahayuti alliance, and they've comfortably, according to the early trends, they have passed the majority mark to form the government, which is 149 seats. It all now comes down to the chief minister contestant and perhaps the tussle that can be ensued between the BJP and the Eknath Shinde-led Shiv Sena as to who will be the next chief minister of Maharashtra.
Well, absolutely. This is something which is going to be very important to watch out for, because if you talk about the alliance, for example, if the Mahayuti goes ahead and forms the government, then the another next step is to see that who will be the next chief minister of the state. Whether it will be Eknath Shinde, who will continue to retain its position, or whether they will have another candidate like Devendra Fadnavis, who has been the former chief minister of Maharashtra. So all of this is something which we will come to know after we get the results out. But on the other side, another interesting thing that has happened is from the opposition side, the Mahavikas Aghadi, where they have already prepared a letter as part of the process, that is, and they have taken signatures of 160 members as to, if they come into power, this is the chief minister who we want to elect. So they are already ready with that process, which might not take long, if at all, if the Mahavikas Aghadi comes into power here in Maharashtra. But definitely, if none of the alliances will be able to get that majority mark, because these are just early trends, we will pick up the final results as and when through the day. So they will obviously take help of the smaller parties, they'll take help of the independent candidates, which will also make the government formation process a little lengthier.
Right, Disha, thank you for joining us on the show. For all those tuning into WION World is One. Early trends show for the Mahayuti Alliance 196, meanwhile 83 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. We'll of course be tracking the results as the numbers trickle in.